Welcome back to another video. We're so glad you're here. If it's your first time joining us on the channel, we are Zone, and we make YouTube videos and other tools to help creatives bring their projects to life. So, if that sounds like something interesting to you, stick around to learn more. If it's not your first time here, welcome back. In this video, we will talk about how to stay inspired and motivated throughout a creative project. Staying inspired and motivated is super important, and it's actually a key element of the Arrington method. As you can see from the blue line of the Arrington method, throughout all the realms and every phase, motivation and inspiration are simultaneously happening. The first thing you should know is what inspires you. It isn't the same for everyone. Each person is inspired differently, so ask yourself, what inspires me? Answer this in a general sense, and then dive a bit deeper and ask yourself, how? What about this project inspires me? Use what inspires you to motivate you to keep going. I suggest finding a visual that inspires you to keep in front of you throughout the duration of your project. Let's take an example. My creative project is creating a creative writing course for stress relief that is filmed in various national parks. In general, nature inspires me, and this project inspires me to keep exploring nature. To use this as motivation, I might take a photo from one of my visits and make it my phone and laptop background, so that each time I got to build the course, I see it. Another thing that helps me stay motivated is understanding what demotivates me. If there's any portion of the project that is necessary, but maybe I'm not looking forward to it as much, I would make a plan to have extra motivation for that time. One way to motivate is to reward yourself for making progress. For example, the thing I might not enjoy the most is creating homework items for the course. For each portion of the course that I create a homework item for, I might reward myself with something. Maybe it's a 10-minute walk or something else that I like. The other thing I might do is create a playlist of songs that motivate me to keep working on homework items. What's most important is knowing what motivates and inspires you. Now that you know your motivations, I'm going to rapid fire some ideas for ways you can stay inspired. 1. A playlist. Make a playlist that you can listen to while you work on your project. 2. Put inspiration where you can see it. 3. Meetups. Set meetups with people who energize you to check in throughout your project. 4. Small rewards. Set multiple checkpoints throughout the project and reward yourself with small things throughout. 5. Celebrate as often as possible. 6. Make encouraging notes to put around. 7. Use prompts and exercises to keep the momentum. 8. Try time blocking your work. 9. Start with 5 minutes of deep work. 10. Participate in things that inspire you. 11. Make sure your relationships are strong and healthy. 12. Talk to someone about any of the challenges you're facing in your project. 13. Take enough breaks. 14. Buckle down and know that sometimes a project is worth doing even if you don't feel motivated. Work on your self-discipline and willpower so that you can use them as tools in your project. Disclaimer: there is a good way and a bad way to do this. 15. Spend enough time outside. Sunlight inspires. 16. Stay healthy. 17. Reevaluate if the project matters enough to you to be worth cultivating motivation over. I hope this helped you and that you feel inspired to get motivated. If you would like some exercises that will help you stay in touch with your vision and keep the momentum going, we have a tool that is linked below and it is incredibly useful. It's called the Inspiration Pack, and it is packed with goodness. Over 100 pages of inspiration for you to dive into, so if that sounds like your jam, check it out below.